Hey all, this is Dipshika. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and staying healthy. Today I am sharing a very popular and comforting Indian breakfast, which is sabudana ki khichdi. It's a classic dish enjoyed across Indian homes, especially during the fasting days. Yes, it is rich in carbs, but having it once in a while is absolutely fine, especially when it is home cooked and in the right direct way. For the preparation, I have kept the ingredients very simple and homely. I have taken finely chopped onions, finely chopped potatoes, along with chopped ginger, chilies. Ginger is a must in our cooking since I come from a Bengali family, which adds lovely aroma and flavor. I have also kept finely chopped coriander aside for the garnishing. For the tempering, I have used white oil. You can use ghee of your choice. Once it is heated, I have added mustard seeds and dry chilies. Then I have added the curry leaves and the ginger, which will add the dish a beautiful fragrance to it. Once it is fried, I have added the onions to it. And give it a stir. And wait till the onions turn brown. Then I have added the finely chopped tomatoes, chilies, and coriander to it and give it a mix. For the spices, I have kept it very simple. It's only the turmeric and the salt. And give it a stir. Till it is cooked and mushy. For that, I have covered it with a lid so that it is cooked properly. Once it is cooked, you can add the finely chopped potatoes. Give it a nice mix so that the tomato is fried properly. Then I have added the soaked sabudana. And finally, I have finished it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to enhance the taste and which will add a nice and refreshing tang. Your sabudana ki khichdi is ready, light, flavorful, and perfect for a breakfast and a comforting meal. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one.